first I'm going to show you everything you're going to need. So this is the hair that I'm using. Now I'm just going to be using the bundle. This is the Bobbi Ball 7-pack solution, Shirley Wave in 1B, and it has a 16, 18, 20 plus a little closure piece. But I would just be using the bundles. You can use any bundles you want. I just wasn't trying to spend too much money. So this is the hair that I'm using, and it has like a curly pattern to it. So you're gonna need some hair. You're also gonna need a pack of braiding hair. You're gonna need, well, I'm using this just to wrap it around at the end, around the base. So you're gonna need that. Bobby pins, just some regular bobby pins. Some edge control. This is the one that I will be using. And this got to be gel. I have the bigger one, but I have to find it. You're also going to need a comb. This is the one I usually use, a rat tail comb if you want to, but this is the comb I will be using. A toothbrush to lay your baby hairs, and your choice of brushes to brush your hair up into the high ponytail. You're also going to need 2 hair scrunchies so you can add height, and so your ponytail is stable and it won't be leaning to the side and everything. So you're going to need 2 hair ties. I have one in my hair and I have to get another one. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just comb my hair into the direction that I want it to go in. And I want it at the very top of my head. My hair has been flat ironed because I got my ends trimmed. So you pretty much want it as flat as possible, so it's easier for you to put it all up. So that's what I'm going to do. And I kind of want my ponytail like right here, so it falls this way. So that's where I want it. And the next thing I'm going to do is part my edges out. Slick everything up with the black Got To Be Ultra Glue Gel. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is grab it. I have to ask how everybody's Thanksgiving went. I'm actually filming this on Thanksgiving. Like, I literally just got finished eating like maybe an hour ago. But I'm celebrating the rest of my birthday tomorrow, Black Friday. My birthday was on the 18th. So I gotta get cute for the rest of my festivities. Where are my scissors? So I've got this big pack. I think this is soft, premium soft braiding hair. And I'm gonna cut this in half because I don't need the ponytail. It's super long. So I can use my shears, cut it. And you do not have to worry about if the braid is perfect or not, because it's going to be covered up anyway. Okay, and I'm going to wrap up my hair now so I can preserve the slickness of this. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that the braid is in, I can start by grabbing the first bundle, and I think I'm gonna use, this is it. This is the 20-inch. So I'm going to keep it doubled like this, and I'm just going to Let me band the end of this. I'll be right back. Okay, got the band and I'm gonna band it. Boom. Okay, so I put the pin right here in the end and I'm just gonna pin it into the braid, or I'll pin it right in the end of the braid, and I'm just gonna wrap maybe 3 or 4 times and add another pin. That's 2, 3, 4. And add another pin.
MEEEE.com.